once, the towers came down, it just kind of made me think differently. It's like, I really want to go kind of do my part. I went to Baghdad, Iraq, was kind of the main area of operation. Our main battalion was based out of Khost, Afghanistan, which was kind of the main area where bin Laden had initially done like a lot of his training. He had his training camp set up. Bin Laden was on the run, so no one really knew where he was. We had 2 injuries from 2 more of our guys that day that were in my platoon specifically. Both had to get medevaced out. I ended up having a bullet clip my ear, actually stuck in my neck collar, like the bullet splayed open when it came through the vehicle, and just kind of had more shrapnel hit my ear and a little bit inside my face. So that was my direct experience with combat that day. That was a pretty intense day. It was an awesome experience. I think it always sets you up for life. Even though, there's some hard days there for sure. Even after being out, we've lost guys. It's a real thing.
He's a remarkable young man. He really is. And just, he went through, he saw some bad stuff there, as a lot of the people in the military do. So, I've got a tremendous amount of respect for that. And he came back here and he just hit the ground running.
I got back out of the military in June of '06. Had about a week before I started working back here after being out of the military. And I've been here ever since then, being a full-time technician.
And to me, again, I'm looking at a young man that I hired when he was 17, and now he's in his 20s, to know that he's survived something like that, for the benefit of me, for the benefit of you and all Americans. And he wanted to go there and do that. How can you not respect that?